All right, this is for a 2007 to I think 2013 CX9 or Mazda CX9. Half of the AC is blowing, or half of the vents on the driver's side are blowing hot, and then the other half on the passenger and the back blow cold, as it should. After talking to a few friends, they kind of pointed me to this actuator, which this one's actually broken. But I was inspecting, some of these gears were kind of worn down, and actually haven't connected it yet. But the actuator is underneath the steering, I guess, column. I'm not a mechanic, but if I point to it, it's right there. So driver's side, it's right in here, and then this is screwed in kind of at an angle. The green connector goes in there, and then this actuator turns when you go hot or cold. And the other one, the gears were broken, so it was just stuck at this position. So when I was installing, or to install it, the piece that attaches to this naturally falls down, so then it goes hot automatically. So what you want to do is, if it's at a different position, plug it in to the car, turn on your hot or cold in whatever position you need it, and you'll see it kind of go back and forth and adjust it to where you need it. So then when you get at the right position where you need it at, all you got to do is slide it in there, catch that little piece, the little blender door right there, and screw it in, plug it in, and you should be good to go. So I didn't see any videos on YouTube about this, so I just wanted to make a quick one just to show you guys. I hope this video helps. I'm just gonna attach it to the end, but it's installed. You can see the piece of the actuator. Or, let me turn off the AC. See how that piece of the actuator is on the metal rod and plastic. And now that I turn on and off the AC, it kicks in and flips that blender door. So we're good to go. I hope this helped, guys. Thank you for watching.